All right, hello. This is part 2 of foldable number 2. So we're going to start off a little differently. We're going to go ahead and look at our domain first. And we're going to go ahead and draw our asymptote, which is what we're going to be using as an asymptote, but it's not technically an asymptote because this point here is passing through that point. So we're going to go ahead and look at our 3. When x is equal to 3, which is here, this is where the two graphs are going to be separated. So one graph is going to lead up into this asymptote, and the other graph is going to lead up from the opposite direction. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do the top one green, and we'll do the bottom one blue. Okay, so this one we have is an absolute value function, which starts at the origin, and it normally looks like this, but since it has a negative, it's going to be reflecting over the x-axis. So instead of going up, it's going to be going downwards. So we have our points here, 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 and it kind of just goes on forever. And this is less than or equal to 3. So this is actually going to be including, so this is going to have a close-ended circle. Where did my ruler go? There it is. And we're going to go ahead and draw our absolute value function. It's going to look like this. So just like I said earlier, this would normally go all the way down this way here, but because of the restriction in the domain, it doesn't let us actually go past this point, because this only exists on this side of the graph. But we do have our blue function, which is a quadratic, and this function only exists when x is greater than 3, which is on this side here. And this function here, the parent function actually looks like here on the graph, it's a u, but this is being shifted over, where's the camera, there we go, 3 units to the right, so we have 1, 2, 3, which is kind of perfect because this is where our origin is. But our origin is not included, so it's open-ended circle because there's no equal sign here. It's just greater than 3. So we know our parabola looks like this. And that's it. That's the right side of the parabola because it only exists when x is greater than 3. So when we fold this one over, this is going to be a absolute value. So absolute value slash quadratic. Oh my god, quadratic. I can't spell today. Piecewise function.